Yeah, here we are. Had a little rain today for about 15 minutes. Me and Gordon were able to get down below it. Gordon, come over here. Stand over there. Okay, there's Gordo. And it's coming. It's coming.
Look at this.
Gordon's a little excited about it. Look at that. Look at the debris. I hope everybody can see this.
Look at this.
Nice. Look at the rocks. Look at the trash. I know it. Gordon, watch yourself. Look at the debris. Look at a water heater. I gotta back up a little. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that.
We ain't gonna make it through.
Whoop. Oh. Oh my goodness. We were just standing right there. I know, that guy just drove through there. Look at this. Oh, it's gonna wash over. It's gonna it's gonna take our truck. Look at the wave. Oh my goodness.
We gotta move.
Yeah, we're gonna have to move our trucks. We're gonna have to move. Hey. Wow. Okay, we're gonna go take a look on the other side real quick. Oh my goodness. Pushing right up against the road. Oh, it's gonna wash over the road. There it goes. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to move my truck.